Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seekers. Today we're going to be checking out some more haircut transformations. So if you've been thinking of going short, this video will definitely inspire you. Please be sure to give it a big thumbs up if you do happen to feel inspired by any of these transformations. And of course, hit that subscribe button if you want to stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have someone making over their hair. So it looks like she did have some thinning edges, and the stylist shaved off the hair and gave her more of like a pixie style. And then we have someone once again doing the shave-in trend. So these transformations are going to be extreme. They're definitely not going to be for anyone who wants to play it safe. But if you are looking to do something daring with your hair, shaving it off will definitely be a bold move. So next up, for those who want to keep things a little bit more simple and tame, we have a classic bob haircut. Ooh, this one is really pretty. Perfect everyday styling option. And then we have someone cutting their hair themselves. The stylist is going in to clean it up. Looks like she's also going to be getting some color done. I love it when I see a client go in and they are getting both a cut and a color transformation. It is just so inspiring to see. So the stylist finished things off with the bob haircuts. Oh, it's like a bob pixie variation. Very cute. And that's of course trending right now. It's a very popular hair option. And it's perfect if you can't decide if you want to cut your hair into a bob or a pixie. Get the best of both worlds with this pixie bob. So the stylist is adding in some gorgeous curls for some texture. I love the way that her color turned out as well. This is just such a chic, fun hairstyle. Very cute. So next up, we do have a client that has thinning hair as well. So it looks like they're gonna shave all their hair off. Ooh, gorgeous pixie makeover. Love it. Very nice. And then we see someone with long mid-length hair. Looks like they're getting a bob. Beautiful, nice, classic, and simple style. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all these transformations with me. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will of course see you in the next one.